number 3. Okay, girls, listen. Congratulations, not bad for the first timer. Candy Beauty Queen, may madami pang koronang iuwi sa mga susunod pang competition. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jocelyn and Ma'am Mitch. Okay, candidate, listen. Ang unang tatawagin ko is yung title. Listen, candidates. Ang unang tatawagin ko yung title, pero ang unang po-forward is the first runner-up to be award at may iiwan muna sa likod si title. Okay? And Sir Joel, and please proceed na rin po tayo sa stage para dire-diretso na. Dahil ang unang tatawagin ko is title. Miss K Bangad 2025 is candidate numbers. Your Miss K Bangad 2025 is candidate number. You are lucky tonight. Miss K Bangad 2025 is candidate number. Once again, maraming salamat po. And of course, we would like to say something to ang barangay. Once again, salamat po sa pag-anya niya sa akin ngayong gabing ito. And you are the Miss K Bangad 2024 candidate number 4. And the first runner-up is candidate number 5. And please proceed the first runner-up. Okay, our Miss K Bangad had the average of 97.8. And our first runner-up is 97. And the second runner-up is 94.2. So sa lahat po na may questions, sa lahat po na may mga tanong, you may proceed to our competition, our SK Treasurer, lahat po ay detalye at lahat ay permeado. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you Secretary for inviting me once again. Thank you so much Barangay Bangad. Thank you people of Bangad. Once again, ingat po kayo sa pag-uwi. God bless